Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to play some Still a Brain Rot, but it's not Still a Brain Rot. Escape guards to get brain rot. So I'm gonna play this game cause I like it. I mean, I'm just rich, you know. Like, look at this brain rot I have. That's all I have. And let's go. Time to catch some brain rats divine. There's some divine here. Lucky Block. Okay. I need to be invisible. Oh, I need that. I need that. I really need it gun, bro. It gun. Bro, I need some mutation, bro. I need some mutation, bro. Bro, why? Okay, I think I'm going to go to Nightmare. Okay. No, bro. I was really close. Need, bro. Bro, I need the divine lucky block. Okay. I'm so close. Okay. I'm here. Floor 3. Now I'm gonna open this. Let's see what I get. Apanaburo. Bro. What is this? Okay. I'm gonna collect some money. Money. Okay. Let's go to the gear shop. I need this, bro. I need this. Speedy shoot. No. I don't need that. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Time to go get some good brain rots.
Imagine, nagtipid ka, hindi ka masyadong kumakain para maabot mo yung first million mo. Dahil yun na-achieve mo na. Ang problema, nag-ulcer ka. Tapos yung 1 million na yun, ginastos ka lang din para magamot yung ulcer mo. Kaya gumastos ka lang ng gumastos, i-travel ko kung gusto mo.
Wait, tung heart. Bro, how? How? Okay. I need to get over here fast. Okay. And here. Okay, I'm so close, but I literally go. Okay, on to the next floor. The fourth floor. Bro! Okay. Okay. How did I get so many? Bro, I need the super stamps. Okay. I just got away. Okay, that's the video. Enjoy. Bye.